Hi there everyone, welcome to SmartEduCe. This video is about showing you how to apply for our newest program. First, I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account for a child, then how to visit our website and view any useful information, and then fill the application form. And finally, I'll show you one last step to complete your application. So first thing you have to do is go to your Google homepage, click sign in, choose use another account, then click on create account and select for myself. Then you'll have to fill exactly 5 spaces: the first name, the last name, the username and the password, and then confirm the password. So write the first and last name, choose a username, choose something that does not already exist, and then create a password. So a password should contain, or it's recommended that it contains at least 8 characters, and it should also include numbers and symbols. So to show you what I did, see, I just included student first name, last name, 135 and full stop. Next one, you have 2 optional steps: the phone number and the recovery email. So just write them or fill them if you want. I choose my Gmail account as a recovery email. Means that if I forget the password for the new email or something like that, I can always recover it with my email. And then the birth date. So please be careful to write a birth date that's less than 13 years old if you want to have sort of control over this email account. And then they'll ask you for a parent Gmail. They'll only ask you if the person who's creating the Gmail account is less than 13 years old. So just write your own email account and then click next. Then you find the parental consent form. All you have to do is click on I agree, blah blah blah, and I understand, blah blah blah. I've read it all. You have to read it all, in fact, and then agree. Then and then the last step is to enter your own password. So just do that. Click next, and then they'll tell you a little bit more about how you can manage this account. How you should have a family group. You just agree, and then you can edit any information you want to edit on this page. Click next if you have nothing to edit or if you've finished editing. And finally, you created a Google account for first name, which is your child. So the next step would be to visit our website. So just click on the link. You'll find it in the description box down below, and you'll find yourself in our home page. Of course, the information is written in 3 languages: English, Arabic, and French. You can find everything, it's the same thing, just written in 3 languages. You can also find other things like the calendar, newsletter. There's nothing in the newsletter yet. And the application, that's what we want to visit now. So you'll find here an application tutorial, the one you're watching. And under it, below, you will find a document and 3 forms. So the document is about the fees for the program. It's also written in 3 languages. You can check it. It's really easily understandable, but if you need any help, you can always contact us. There's a help section on the website, and then you will want to open one of the forms. So they're written in 3 languages. You have the first one is in French, and you have under it there is the English one and the Arabic one. You click on the English one or the one you want, and they'll ask you to sign in if you're not signed in. Write your password, click, and this is the form. The form has 3 sections. The first one is basic info like name, first name, last name, birth date. Just fill it according to what is written on your passport. Then we are asking you to give us a parent or a Gmail address for a parent, so a parent Gmail. So you just click write your own, and then if you want to add another one you can, but you don't have to. And then your child's Gmail, the one we're going to contact him with to give homework and everything. The next one is going to be the country. So right now we're living in Turkey, the city, it's Istanbul, and finally, or not finally, the phone number. So we ask for at least one phone number, but you can add two. I'm choosing not to add two right now. And then you'll have to choose the language you prefer us to contact you with. There are three options, fine. You choose one of those three, and then you choose a second one. Then you click on next. The next section is all about your son or daughter's education, their school, their level, class, and then the type of school they studied in or they're studying in. So I'm choosing Turkish school here. And then if they are already enrolled, they're already at school or not yet, or I don't know, you choose. And then you choose what subjects you want to apply for. You click on next. You don't have to choose everything, by the way. So the third one is you're going to have to read this with your child. There are some basic guidelines. All you have to do is I agree and commit myself to it. Just click it and these are some basic guidelines to know what's expected and what the community will look like. So you can review any information you need to review and go to next. You'll find a message at the end and go check your email. In your inbox you'll find a mail from SmartEduCe about your application. There are two ways. It's going to have details on what to do now. So there's still two steps in order to finish this application. The first one is to send a photo, the next one is to pay the fee, but first you have to select a way to do this. So we have options. You can contact us if it's not working for you when you need something else. Just reply by a mail. In this mail, select the way you're choosing that's working for you for payment, any questions you have, and attach the photo you've taken of your child. After this, just send it and you're done. I hope you have found this video useful and helpful. I also hope it answered all of your questions. But for further information, you can contact us at any of the links down below in the description box. After watching, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not yet subscribed to our channel.